Caledonian Crows acquire their knowledge through both practice and learning from others. The crow calls down a young family member for some one-to-one tuition. What makes Caledonian crows so special is their skill at manufacturing the right tool for the job. First, she removes the leafy end. She holds it on her left side, a matter of personal choice. Time for the juvenile to have a go. But he doesn't quite reach. This should do the trick. But he's got to get the grub to bite, and that's not so easy. It's tantalisingly close. The stick is a bit too long, so he decides to shorten it. It's now spot on. His newly acquired skills pay off.